Everybody's opening their gifts on Christmas morning. Daddy got a pair of socks, okay, that's kinda boring. Mommy got a brand new toy and now she can't stop moaning. Yeah, that's all she does now and it's getting so annoying. Mommy got a toy, it's big and black and thick and veiny. Locked up in her room all day, just screaming, moaning, wailing. Daddy sits alone down in the kitchen with his socks, 'cause Mommy got a Christmas present better than his cock. Mommy goes through half a dozen batteries a day, and Daddy doesn't even get to join in on the play. Oh, things are different in our house since Christmas holiday, 'cause Mommy got a toy and she ain't walking very straight. So all